What's up guys, how you doing? And I'm glad to see you again on my channel. In today's video, I will talk about the fractal indicator. I will teach you in practice its functions and I'll tell you how to use it in trading. So this video is gonna be very interesting and informative as well, so make sure to watch it to the end so you get the most of it. And in case you would have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video. And also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time, so make sure to check all these links down below. And to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me today on Telegram to get the registration link. And without further ado, let us get straight to trading. I've already opened the price chart of the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen currency pair, and its payout is 92%. Before starting our topic, I'm going to open an up trade for $300 for 1 minute. And I made this decision for the simple reason that the price is declining and it reached the last resistance level which the price broke through 25 minutes ago, and now it's declining. And this level is likely to become a support level. In any case, at this point, it makes the first approach to it and the price should make a rebound. So that's why I made an up trade. And now I can start our topic of today. So you probably noticed the colorful triangles on the price chart. This is a display of the fractal indicator, as they are also called the Bell-Williams fractals, and the term fractal originally had nothing to do with trading. That's what a specific geometric shape was called. Trading does not use the theory of fractals in its pure form, but the indicator of the same name, we'll get back to it in a second because our trade is closing. And our trickles of profit added to my account, $276. Amazing, we keep going. So fractals were developed by Bell-Williams, and this is a legendary trader, by the way, and in his book, Trading Chaos, Williams described the market as a natural phenomenon that does not obey the laws of statistics and mathematics. Despite the fact that Williams' theory was severely criticized by conservative traders, over time, Bell gained a large number of supporters and founded his own trading school. Fractals are popular technical analysis that we use today as a tool in trading. So that's how important this trading tool is. And the function of this indicator is focused on the search for highs and lows values of price on 5 candles. But before continuing, I saw some signals and I'm gonna open an up trade for $300 for 1 minute. And this time we observed an active decline in price, but at the same time the line of the Williams R% indicator declined very smoothly and even tried to occupy a horizontal position. Its behavior gave me a signal about a possible price reverse and accordingly an increase in price, and that's why I made an up trade. So let's see how our trade is going to end. Now let's consider the fractal indicator function. So basically it searches for 5 candles, highs and lows, and if you evaluate its function, it basically shows you the usual highs and lows on 5 candles. And there is no hidden subtext in its calculation. And Williams' approach has been repeatedly criticized for the fact that his indicator is not related to the classical fractals. And if you look into it, then there is nothing in this indicator from standard fractal geometric shapes. Okay, it's totally different here. And our trickles of profit added to my account, $276. Amazing. We keep going. So let's continue. I want to note that criticism concerned only the chosen name, and the effectiveness of the indicator has been proven in practice more than once. So the fractal readings are always 2 candles late. They are not built online, live I mean, but with a slight delay. Highs and lows are searched for on a sequence of 5 candles, so the indicator marker cannot appear in real time. So an up fractal is a candle which high is higher than the 2 candles before and after it. And the fractal down is the reverse form. So the low of the candle should be less than 2 candles before and after it. So that's basically the function of the fractal indicator. And I'm making a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. And the price has risen sharply and the Williams line occupies a horizontal position and even slightly decreased. This is a clear signal of a new possible reversal, but now in the direction of a decline in price. Now let's analyze how to use the fractal indicator in trading on the stock exchange. So in the matter of using fractals, it all comes down to building a meaningful level, or meaningful levels basically. So that's the first point we should consider. And regarding building these meaningful levels, they can be used as support and resistance, taking into account the breakout and the breakdown signals. After being added to the chart, the indicator makes all extremes on 5 candles. Because of this, a lot of highs and lows are formed on the chart, but only a small part of these highs and lows are taken into work, and another pause as the trade is about to close. Articles of profit added to my account $276. Now we can continue. So when you trade using fractals, there is one important nuance you should consider. So this is the appearance of large number of signals on the chart, some of which are false, by the way. And the problem of false fractals is the main source of errors. Similarly, to estimate the truth of support and resistance breakdown, Williams filtered them using an alligator. This is another indicator developed by Williams. And so we came to the study of the practical use of fractals. All of that, of course, is thanks to Williams. So I'm going to open a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. And the data from the Arun indicator shows us that there is currently a lateral movement, which is a consolidation. This can be seen by its lines, which are decreasing parallel to each other. With a lateral movement, as everyone knows, the price goes up and down, and now it is at the highest point. So I concluded that the price should decrease further. And let's check out how our trade is going to close. And meanwhile, let's continue our topic. And Bill Williams advised using fractals in strategies that are based on the breakdown of important price levels and the price movement above or below at least 1 point from the level of the previous fractal. And according to the author of the indicator, Williams already indicates that the price has broken through this level. And what about our trade? It's closing right now, and our articles of profit added to my account $276. And let's continue our topic. And breaking through the level of the previous fractal is called the breakout of buyers if the price rises above the previous fractal, moving upwards. Okay, and when it comes to the opposite case, when the price falls below the previous fractal, moving downwards, this means a breakthrough of sellers. Bill Williams advised to regard a breakout of buyers or sellers as a signal to open a position, in our case, opening a trade. So trading on a fractal breakdown, this method is classic, proposed by Bill Williams. As the name suggests, trading is disruptive in nature and is designed to continue the current trend. So the entry into the trade is carried out at the breakdown of the fractal closest to the price. And on the chart, I see another situation, and I open an up trade for $300 for 1 minute. And the decline unexpected did not fully occur, and the price began to rise, and the Williams line also grows after it. Based on that, I followed the trend, so to speak. I made an up trade. Going back to the trading on a breakdown, as the author himself wrote, this trading technique will give a lot of false inputs. So Bill suggests filtering signals, including using the usual moving average indicator. So pay attention to this point because it's very important. Guys, you need to avoid those false signals. And let's not stop there and move on. Fractals are also often used as support and resistance levels. Knowing how difficult it is sometimes to set them, Bill Williams gave us an excellent tool for trading and building significant support and resistance levels. And I'm gonna take a short pause because our trade is going to close. Almost there. And our articles of profit added to my account, $276. Amazing, we keep going. And let's get back to our conversation. And if you draw a horizontal line through each of these highs and lows highlighted by the indicator, then the chart itself will not be visible behind these lines. Therefore, build such a line at least 2 points, and in the future, when the price approaches them, you will see its reaction to them. Another pretty good method of using the fractal indicator is the definition of reference points for building trend lines. So that's also one good advice for you that you can use so you do not get distracted. And in the same way, 2 points, not less, and everything will work out for you. Naturally, a trader should have basic knowledge in the field of technical analysis and building trading trend lines. But I'm sure that this indicator will be a good help for a novice or a forex trader in practice. And before I continue, I'm gonna open a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. And at this moment, the price have just reached the resistance level, which just passes through the two upper signals from the fractal. And if so, then I expect the price to bounce off this level while the trade is in progress. And I know that with the help of fractals, we can also determine the prevailing trend in the market. We keep monitoring our trades. And by the way, it's very simple to do that. If you remember the definition of a trend, which states that an uptrend is a sequence of growing highs and lows, and a downtrend is a sequence of declining highs and lows. Then, looking at our indicator, we will see that an uptrend, which is a bifractals, will be updated, breakthrough, more often than the sell fractals or the down fractals. And so another trade is coming to an end right now. Almost there. In seconds, our trade closed a profit added to my account, $276, and this is the end of our today's trading session. So today in 11 minutes, I made 6 successful trades and I made $1,656, which is an amazing result. Write me what you think in the comments below. And in addition, I discussed with you the fractal indicator, which gives you a lot of potential entry points. Most of them seem to be quite reliable. In fact, this method is not so simple and clear. Beginners are now recommended to use it as the only factor for making a decision to make a trade. Fractals cannot be used as the only method to predict price movement. Even Williams himself said that. It should be at least your third confirming factor. It will give you positive results only in combination with other indicators. So guys, I hope this information was good for you and it will help you make more profits on binary options. And of course, if you don't have any experience, I advise you to use indicators because it will help you reduce your risks and help you make profits over the long run. And of course, use indicators that you understand their signals. And I advise you to further learn about binary options and technical analysis. And as you have seen today, that technical analysis on binary options is not complicated at all. It's very simple. And if you would have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram is in the description below this video. And also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and I also run weekly marathons to increase your capital from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure to check the links down below and to join the marathon. And to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me today on Telegram to get the registration link. And if you like this video, please give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.